Welcome back to GrowRich, where today we're diving deep into the realm of prosperity and abundance. In this video, we're unraveling the psychology of wealth, 4 mindset shifts. If you've ever wondered what separates the financially free from the rest, you're in the right place. So, buckle up and let's elevate our mindsets together. But before we embark on this transformative journey, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our wealth-boosting content. Now let's uncover the secrets that can turn your financial dreams into reality. Let's delve deeper into our first mindset shift, abundance mentality. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a profound shift that can redefine your entire approach to wealth. So, what is an abundance mentality, and why is it crucial for financial success? Abundance mentality is the belief that there's more than enough success, resources, and opportunities to go around. It's about seeing the world as a place of abundance, not scarcity. Now, research indicates that individuals who embrace this mindset are more likely to take risks, pursue ambitious goals, and attract prosperity. Studies have shown that those with an abundance mindset not only report higher levels of life satisfaction, but also experience a greater sense of control over their financial destiny. So, how can you cultivate this mindset in your own life? 1. Gratitude practice. Start your day by acknowledging and appreciating what you have. It could be as simple as a gratitude journal where you jot down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. 2. Celebrate wins. Whether big or small, celebrate your achievements. This not only boosts your confidence, but reinforces the belief that success is a continuous journey. 3. Visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals. Visualization is a powerful tool that aligns your mindset with your aspirations, making success more tangible. Remember, wealth explorers, abundance isn't just about money. It's a mindset that extends to all areas of your life. By adopting this mentality, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and attract success effortlessly. Now, here's a challenge for you. In the comments below, share one thing you're grateful for today. Let's create a community of abundance right here. Get ready to level up your mindset as we dive into the second game changer, the growth mindset. If you're wondering how some people consistently turn challenges into opportunities, you're about to discover their secret. The growth mindset is all about believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This contrasts with a fixed mindset that assumes your skills and intelligence are innate traits, and you either have them or you don't. Now, let me drop a truth bomb backed by research. Individuals with a growth mindset tend to achieve higher levels of success, resilience, and overall well-being. They see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, and setbacks as stepping stones to future achievements. Tips for cultivating growth mindset. 1. Embrace challenges. Instead of avoiding challenges, confront them head-on. Remember, every challenge is a chance to enhance your skills and knowledge. 2. Learn from criticism. Don't shy away from feedback. See criticism as constructive input that can fuel your improvement. It's not about proving you're flawless. It's about getting better. 3. Celebrate effort, not just results. Acknowledge the effort you put into your endeavors, regardless of the outcome. This creates a positive feedback loop, motivating you to persist in the face of challenges. In the realm of wealth creation, adopting a growth mindset can be a game changer. Instead of seeing financial setbacks as failures, view them as opportunities to refine your strategy and move closer to your goals. Now here's a challenge for you. Share a recent challenge you faced and how you turned it into an opportunity. Let's inspire each other with stories of growth. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying these mindset shifts. We're unlocking the third door to financial empowerment, and this one's a game changer: delayed gratification. If you're ready to discover the secret sauce to long-term success, you're in for a treat. Delayed gratification is like planting seeds for a bountiful harvest. It's the ability to resist the temptation of immediate rewards and opt for a more significant payoff down the road. This mindset shift is a cornerstone of building sustainable wealth. Research consistently shows that individuals who embrace delayed gratification tend to accumulate more wealth, achieve higher levels of education, and experience greater overall success. It's like building a strong financial foundation for a skyscraper of achievements. Tips for embracing delayed gratification. 1. Set long-term goals. Clearly define your long-term financial objectives. Having a roadmap gives your actions purpose and helps you resist short-term temptations. 2. Create a budget. Budgeting is your financial GPS. It ensures you allocate resources wisely, saving for the future while enjoying the present within your means. 3. Build the habit of saving. Saving is the magic wand of delayed gratification. It allows you to accumulate wealth over time, providing a safety net for the future. In the context of wealth creation, delayed gratification might mean forgoing that impulse purchase today to invest in a brighter financial future tomorrow. It's about making choices that align with your long-term vision. Share a recent moment where you chose delayed gratification over instant reward. Let's celebrate those victories together. We've arrived at the grand finale, the golden key to financial empowerment. Mindset shift number 4, financial education. Get ready to unlock the vault of knowledge and transform the way you perceive and manage your finances. Financial education is more than just understanding numbers. It's about mastering the language of money. It's the passport to financial freedom. And the beauty is that you don't need a PhD in finance to start. Studies consistently reveal a powerful correlation between financial literacy and wealth accumulation. Those who invest time in understanding financial principles tend to make more informed decisions, build robust portfolios, and navigate economic uncertainties with confidence. How to boost your financial education. Read widely. Dive into books, articles, and reputable blogs about personal finance. Knowledge is the first step towards empowerment. Attend workshops and webinars. Leverage the digital age by attending virtual events. Many financial experts offer valuable insights through workshops and webinars. Follow financial gurus. Subscribe to channels, podcasts, or blogs of financial experts. Learn from those who've mastered the art of wealth creation. Remember, financial education isn't a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. By constantly expanding your financial knowledge, you become the architect of your financial destiny. Tell me, what's the last finance book or podcast you've enjoyed? Share your recommendations in the comments below, and let's build a community of financial wisdom seekers. You now hold the keys to unlock a world of financial abundance. These shifts aren't just theories, they're proven strategies backed by research and real-world success stories. As we wrap up, remember that your mindset is the compass guiding you toward financial freedom. Now, which mindset shift resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're ready to embrace these mindset shifts and elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this journey together. Your wealth begins in the mind. Until next time, stay financially empowered, stay inspired, stay wealthy, and stay wise.